Can't even, he can barely keep his mouth closed. He's got so much chocolate in there.
Good thing it's a widescreen. Your cheeks wouldn't fit.
I was going to say, I never thought his cheeks could actually get bigger, but yep, there they are.
Ow, ow, come on, ow, ow.
You really don't want to mess with Ryan
Ow,
when
ow.
he's eating.
Oh.
She's gonna hit a cheek and she's gonna get a stream of chocolate.
Yeah, then he hit his mouth like this.
Ryan, ow. No, come on.
He
Ow.
wants more chocolate.
No, right? One chocolate for 1 day.
Come on. Ow.
Peter, let him finish eating.
Jonathan, do it.
Ow, ow.
Ryan, do it. Ow. Ow. Good boy. What do you want?
He wants the ball. Oh, man. He wants the
Finish your roll.
Ow, ow, ow. Mom, can I have chocolate? So, come.
Yep, go ahead.
I got chocolates. Chocolate.
Oh dear.
Ryan, smaller bites, not all at once. Ryan.
It's gone.
Ma.
Magic.
Ma, there, look. What do you mean?